Hello, let me show you how we can navigate with VoiceOver on iPhone 16e. So in general, if you want to, for example, scroll, we're gonna work on the home screen for now. If you want to scroll, for example, to the next or previous page, you do the same gesture that you do usually, but with 3 fingers instead. So normally you swipe left or right with just 1 finger. In this case, with VoiceOver, you have to use 3 fingers in order to swipe to next or previous page, like this. And the same goes, for example, with scrolling up or down, you also use 2 fingers, like this. And in general, you can also tap on the option that you want to select. So for example, if I want to go to settings, I can tap on settings once and then double tap in order to open. And if you want to go back, for example, to the home screen, in that case, you use just 1 finger from the very bottom of the screen and move it to around this area over here, to the 2/3 of the height over here. Like this, you will hear a single click, and this is how you can know that you are about to go to the home screen. You can also swipe with 1 finger in order to select previous options or next options. So as you can see, I can keep swiping left on the screen in order to select previous option and swipe right in order to select the next option. If you want to scroll up and down, you also use 3 fingers as well. And that is about it. This is the essentials for navigating with the VoiceOver. If you go to the VoiceOver settings in accessibility, you should be able to find the VoiceOver tutorial that you can select. So once again, every selection works like this. You just tap on the option once and then double tap in order to confirm your choice. So in order to learn everything about the VoiceOver and how you fully navigate with VoiceOver with all the features and functions and so on, you can use the tutorial over here in VoiceOver settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.